Hello, YouTubers. This is Tom from the beautiful city of Chicago. We're going to take a look at Navy Pier here. You can see on the right there we have a red navigation buoy. Red to the right, entering the harbor. Red on the left, exiting the harbor. I'm going to have to narrate this because it was just so windy out there and the sound is horrible. But I wanted to show you guys what they've done at Navy Pier, and it looks pretty awesome. I mean, this is going to be a real party place. Probably expensive though. You know, Chicago is not a cheap city, but this is something they should have done 30, 40 years ago when Navy Pier was first conceived. I mean, there's no place in Chicago for boaters to go except like Playpen. But now we got somewhere to go. You can go out and have a dinner, get some alcohol, go see a movie, ride the Ferris wheel, do what you want. And by the looks of this, this is massive. It goes the whole length of the pier. And these are big docks too. You could put in a 100-foot yacht there and tie up, and it looks like it would be fine. I don't see any gas pumps, but maybe that will come later. But right now, it looks pretty awesome. On the other side is the water pumping station, and they've got this nice seawall or floating seawall that's going to break the waves, keep it nice and calm in there. And in between the pilings and that pier, you can't go through. It says no boats. They don't want you shooting through there. But this little pier right here is pretty nice. Keeps the water nice and calm in there. But I thought I'd share this with you guys, and hope you enjoyed this. And give me a thumbs up. It opens June 3rd, 13th, 2025. Thanks much.
And red on the left, leaving the harbor. Going upstream, red on the right. It's kind of some goofy navigation things.